Hey, I'm going to show you how to build a workflow in Sidekick. So first of all, what can you do in Sidekick? Well, it can use your Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Sheets, Notion, HubSpot, Linear, Slack, plus any AI calls or web scraping. So how you actually build a workflow is you just chat. So basically I'm going to describe the automation that I want. So I'm going to say I want to review my meetings for the past week, filter out any I didn't actually accept, summarize them with AI, and send this to Slack. So it's going to go ahead and add my different accounts here. So it's adding Google Calendar, it's adding Slack, and AI. And so what's going to do eventually here is it's going to start asking me questions. So first of all, it asks to access my calendar so it can find out which one it should use. So it's going to ask questions to figure out how to more accurately build the workflow that I actually want. And so it's found my primary calendar, and now it's asking me which Slack channel I want to use. So I'm just going to say general. And so I'm going to go ahead and approve that. And there we go. So it's built a workflow where it gets all my meetings from the past 7 days, generates a summary with AI, and sends that summary to Slack. I'm going to go ahead and test this now. So in test mode, it's going to use my real accounts for the reads, but if it has to write or modify any resources, that's going to be simulated. So for example, for sending messages in Slack, it's not really going to do that. That way, it gives an accurate representation of how the workflow is going to run without any risk. Cool. So let's say now I want to make a change. So I want to make sure it includes all the attendees in this summary. So I'm going to ask for that. Cool. So now it's also going to include the attendees when it makes the summary. All right, so let's go ahead and save this, and I want to go schedule it. So I'm going to go to the scheduling page. I'm going to schedule this. I'll click this, and let's say I want to do it at 9 a.m. on weekdays. So I'll just select that, create the schedule, and there. So now that workflow is going to run every weekday at 9 a.m. And from there, I could make more workflows. I could modify that one, add more apps, whatever I want. That's Sidekick.